Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save tabs in Chrome with Tablerone. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a submenu showing your currently installed extensions and additional options for managing them. In this submenu, you'll see an option that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on it to proceed. This will take you directly to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can browse and install new extensions. Once the Chrome Web Store page loads, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Tablerone. This extension is specifically designed to help you manage and save your open tabs efficiently, which is perfect for organizing your browsing sessions and preventing tab overload. After searching, you'll see Tablerone appear in the search results. Look for the extension with the Tablerone name and icon, then click the Add to Chrome button next to it. This button initiates the installation process for the extension. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify that you want to add this extension to your browser. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will then download and install Tablerone automatically. This process usually takes just a few seconds, and you'll see a notification once it's successfully added. Now that Tablerone is installed, go ahead and open multiple tabs that you want to save. This could be research tabs, shopping pages, articles, or anything you're working on. The beauty of Tablerone is that it allows you to save entire browsing sessions so you can close them now and reopen them later without losing your place. Once you have all your desired tabs open, look at the top right corner of your Chrome window again. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to open the extensions menu. In the extensions menu, locate and click on Tablerone. This will activate the extension and display all the tabs that are currently open in your browser window. You'll see a clear overview of every tab, making it easy to manage your browsing session. Finally, click the Save and Close button. This action will save all your open tabs into a collection within Tablerone and automatically close them, freeing up your browser's memory and keeping your workspace clean. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Chrome tabs using Tablerone, making it easy to restore them whenever you need them again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.